going on, good people? It's Nguvu from Run and Gun Firearms Training. Just doing some prep for this weekend's USPSA match that I'm going to be shooting from Concealment. So I have a set of fault lines that are about 8-ish feet apart. I'm going to be starting on one side of the fault lines at the buzzer. I'm going to draw my gun, get into position low and wide, 2 shots here. Then I'm going to reload back to my starting point and then 2 shots. So I've given myself 4 seconds to get across 2 shots, reload, get across back, and fire 2 more. So we'll see if we can make this work. Struggling coming back, starting here, going back and forth, I'm fine, but going the other way, I've been having a hard time making the par time. So see if we can eliminate any wasted movement. All right. So that way has been the easier direction. So now we'll go the other way. Same thing, beep, draw, get into position, 2 shots, reload back to this position where I'm standing, 2 shots. Everything from Concealment, since that's what I'm going to be doing this weekend. I just made that. It was close though. Go back the other way. That way it feels much more natural. Which is strange because usually reloading left to right is easier for me. I usually struggle more reloading right to left. Just because the gun tends to trail. Once I start accelerating, the gun tends to trail a little bit. So I'm not keeping my arm stiff enough. But tonight, I guess, I'm not allowing that to happen because my reloads that way have actually been better. Grab the handful of shirt on that one. So let's run that one back. Grab some shirt on my reload. All right.
Give me the 14, when it's 14, we kill 14, what you know about AR-15, the classic speed, making us start steam.